So a lot of people commented that it worked. Some people said that it didn't work. What I have found out since then is that there are several types of flies. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I am making an updated video to the video I made about 4 years ago. Well, a little over 4 years ago. But it is about how to get rid of gnats. Since then, I've learned even more. So in the comment section in that video, and I'll link that video at the end, it is a great video and it works. But it doesn't work for every kind of gnat. And a lot of times what I found out is people don't know what kind of gnat they have or even if it's a gnat. So let's update with this. There are several types of gnats, and then there are fruit flies as well. There are gnats, there are fungus gnats, there are fruit flies, and there are drain flies. And then there are several more types of gnats and flies. So you guys, there's a lot to contend with this, but for the most part, there is easy solutions that work. Now let's discuss how they come in real quick. They come in on your house plants a lot of the times, or they come in on fruit, pineapples, peaches especially. If you go to the grocery store, you've probably noticed if you go to the onion section and certain, sections around the produce area, and you see gnats swarming. So let me know down in the comments if you've ever noticed that. I noticed that, and then I thought to myself, oh my goodness, you have to also mind where you keep your produce in the house. And not things that are kept in the refrigerator, of course, but things that you need to leave out on your counters, like pineapples, like I said, the peaches. Some people put peaches in their brown paper bags and let them ripen that way, onions and things. So there are certain things that I keep in the garage and I don't bring into the house, and that keeps the gnats or the fruit flies down. Also, people wanted to know why in the world they were flying around their face, their head, when they're eating, why they like to congregate right there. Well, fruit flies or gnats, they like moisture. So if you perspire a lot, they like that. Also, to the mucous membranes that you have around your face, mainly your eyes and your nose. That's why you notice them around your nose. People say they try to get up their nose or they're around their eyes. So that is why they're attracted to moisture and to mucus, wet type areas. So that's why they're around your eyes and your nose. But I have a solution for you, rather two solutions, and let's go ahead and show you what they are. Also, real quick before I show you this, make sure that you keep your kitchen clean and you keep your garbage emptied, especially in the kitchen. So those are two things that will help you get rid of them, because if they don't have anything that attracts them, they won't be hanging around. So this solution, of course, is going to attract them and drown them, but you don't need your garbage attracting them, because they're just going to stay around. They're not going to stay in the garbage cans. And then also your kitchen sink. They get trapped down there. If you have dirty dishes, they congregate around there. They go down in your drain, and get in there. So we're going to take care of two things today. Okay, we have the apple cider vinegar. It doesn't have to be this brand, but this is what I have. A lot of people have Bragg's around in their house, so it doesn't have to be a specific measurement. We're just going to add, and I'll give you, let's say about 1/4. About 1/4 cup of Bragg's, and then we're going to use the Dawn. You don't have to use as much. The soap is actually what helps them to stay in there, to get trapped in there. So actually more of this is needed than the Dawn. So all you do is take about two teaspoons of Dawn, stir it up, and you've got your concoction. Some people put sugar in it. You can do that. I find that this works really good. The apple cider vinegar attracts with the smell, and then the Dawn soap helps to trap them and help sink them down there. Some are floating, but a lot of them usually sink down. Now, so that's one way. And what you want to do is you want to sit them around in different areas of your house where the fruit flies or the gnats are. Now, as you see, we have this bleach here. After everything is clean in your kitchen and the garbage, we're going to get rid of those two nasty smelly traps that keeps them in your kitchen. We're going to pour the Clorox down the drain, and that helps to kill the ones that are down the drain. I've even heard someone say they just do hot water, but the bleach also sanitizes and gets rid of drain odors. You want to pour the Clorox down the drain in your kitchen, in your bathrooms, and all the drains in your house. That helps the most. So these are the two things that really work for me, and making sure that you keep your fruit or certain produce out in the garage, like your onions, your pineapples, peaches. You can keep them in brown paper bags or whatever if you're concerned. I don't know if you have anything else in your garage, but I don't. So we're free to just leave it out there. You can put it in a brown paper bag or what have you. Like I said, that everything is clean as far as your sinks go and your garbage. And then sit these around in the house, and that should do it for you. Also, make sure not to have open food containers in your kitchen or other parts of the house. Make sure to try to just eat centralized in the kitchen. Oh, and one other thing, if you are concerned about this spilling, like you have some areas you definitely don't want this spilled in, of course, you can use plastic wrap. All you do is put the plastic wrap right over your little bowl. Pull it as tight as you can. Okay, and you want to poke holes in it. Make sure that the holes are big enough so that the gnats or fruit flies can get in there. And like I said, there are certain things that may not be attracted to this, but this kills most of your gnat fruit fly problems. It just depends on if you have some kind of other odd kind of gnat or fruit fly. But make the holes decently big. That way they can fly in, but they can't fly out. And sit these around wherever you want them. Also, if you have a fungus gnat problem from houseplants, stop overwatering your plants and also remove the dead debris on the top of the soil. If you need more help with houseplant information and getting rid of gnats, please let me know down in the comments. All right, guys, so that's it. If you have any questions or if you have some tips that you'd like to share, put them down in the comments below. Also, if you would like to search around on my channel, I have plenty more videos to share. See you next time. Bye.